all of you to my channel Competitive Exam Warriors. Today your educator will discuss with you regarding calculation of error percentage in SSC CHSL exam. Okay, so let's proceed. Now before going further, let's have a look at my achievement section. You can see it over here. There's nothing to discuss, so let's proceed further. Okay, another important addition in my slides from today's lesson, that is, if you're going to subscribe to Unacademy's plus option courses, you can use my code. Just let me highlight it for you, that is plus R4SVE. If you use this code, then getting awesome discount for taking any Unacademy plus option course, be it any category, be it related to UPSC, be it related to banking or railways, anywhere. If you use this code, you will be getting flat 10% off. Okay, and since Unacademy is driven by high quality educators, so it's my advice, please do take courses at the earliest. And currently during lockdown, it is offering 24 months courses at a very cheap price. If you consider West Bengal Public Service Commission exam, then you can grab it at just 8,400 rupees flat. And if you want addition discount, that too you can achieve if you use plus R4SV, that is my referral code, that makes it 7,560. And if you want addition discount, that too you can achieve using Unacademy learning credits. Okay, now let's proceed further. So now just come to today's discussion, that's regarding error calculation. First of all, you must remember, you must keep this in mind, that this test is absolutely qualifying in nature. Just I have told you in my previous lesson also, 95% accuracy desirable, but according to latest cutoff what I have heard, in fact I have seen also during my time also, that is 7% error will be allowed for UR, that is unreserved OBC candidates. So if you belong to UR or OBC, 7% relaxation will be given to you, that is you can make accuracy up to 93%, but if you go beyond that, that is 90-91, then you will be failed in that particular exam, that is in typing test. And if you belong to SC/ST category, then 10% error will be allowed. But try to make a note that please try to avoid mistakes, because you never know, during exam time, out of pressure or tension or something else, you may make more mistakes. So try to avoid mistakes and try to do 0% error. Practice accordingly, because in lockdown you are getting that amount of time in your hands, so that you can practice as much as you can. Because typing test, I think it will be at least by a month, that is by June, July, and it can be more also. So please try to utilize your time as much as possible. Now let's come to another aspect, that is the key point of discussion also in today's lesson, that is regarding key depressions. I have already told you in my previous lesson regarding key depressions, that is for LDC only. I am not talking regarding D over here, that's something different. I am talking specifically regarding LDC, PA, SA and all that, and also code clerk, where you need to type 1750 key depressions in 10 minutes. Okay, so here SSC, that is Staff Selection Commission, recommends two types of mistakes. First one is full mistake and second one is half mistake. Now let's discuss what is full mistake. I will explain each and every subtopic with a particular example, so it helps you in understand the topic further. Like it's written over here, Sham is buying vegetables in the market. If you have typed, for example, it's written over reading, Sham buying vegetables in the market. Okay, there will full stop over here, it's missed by me. Sham buying vegetables in the market. So here what you have omitted is over here, so that will be counted as two full error. So that's the full mistake, and two full error will be counted. Now let's move to the next one, that is adding any extra word or figure. Now let us look at the same example once again, that is Sham is buying vegetables in the market, and what you have typed, Sham is buying the vegetables in the market. So I have added an extra the, and it consists of 3 characters, and these 3 characters were not included in the original passage given to you. So 3 will be also be counted as full error. Okay, actually it's a slight of bit of mistake actually over here. 3, that is the 3 characters of the, and 3 will also count full error. Obviously it will count as full error and it will be 3 full errors. Okay, so 3 will be counted as full error and it will be 3 full errors. So because of this extra the, you will be given penalty of 3 full errors. Okay, now let's proceed further. Now another topic, subtopic over under full mistakes, that is any substitution of word or figure. Let's look at the same example once again. Sham is buying vegetables in the market. You typed Sham will be buying vegetables in the market. Now this extra addition, in fact it's not addition, it's substitution, that is being replaced by will be. This will be also calculated as full error, but based on what was given in the passage. Like in the passage was given Sham is buying vegetables in the market, so is you have replaced with will be. So rather than counting of 4 plus 2, 6 and 7 errors, 2 full error will be counted because is consists of 2 full characters. So 2 full error will be counted over here. Okay. Now you must remember this thing also, like extra space is also an error. Like if you have given double space, suppose after Sham, instead of giving single space, if you give double space, it will be calculated also an error. One full error will be counted. One full error will be counted. Okay. Okay, now let's move towards half mistake. In half mistake, missing space in the statement given, that's considered as a half mistake. Like, let us again go to the same example, that is Sam is buying vegetables in the market. If you have written like this way, Sam is buying vegetables in the market, so you have missed the space between is and buying, that will be considered as a half mistake. Now how to calculate half mistake? Is buying, it consists of 8 letters, so you will penalize 8 by 2 equal 4 full error, that is 8 half error, that makes 8 by 2 4 full error mistakes will be counted over here. Okay, so in this way we calculate half mistake. Now another subcategory under the half mistake, that is addition of unnecessary space. Sam is buying vegetables in the market, whereas you have typed Sam is buying vegetables in the market. Between B and UING you have given unnecessary space, so that will be also counted as a half mistake. Now buying consists of 6 letters, so 6 by 2, that makes it 3 full errors will be counted over here. Okay, so that's regarding half mistake. Another one that belongs to half mistake, that is wrong capitalization. Example, she is going to college. You have typed she is going to college. Okay, so here the mistake is of capitalization. Is both are of small case letters right here, whereas you have written I in caps letter, so it's a wrong capitalization by you and you will penalize for that. Now is will be treated as mistake and it contains 2 letters, so 2 by 2, that makes it 1 full error mistake will be counted. So you can see that you can't give unnecessary space, you can't give additional space, you can't make wrong capitalization, you can't make grammatical mistake. Each and every mistake you do, you will be penalized. And remember, you can't watch out for mistakes in the platform QMA SSC. It's not Microsoft Word. It will not hint at the errors by drawing red lines or green lines or yellow lines. Please remember that thing. Now coming to another category of mistakes, that is spelling category mistake, and this also comes under half mistake category. Example, she is going to college. You typed she is going to college. Okay, it's a bit of mistake over here. I think it has been auto corrected also for me. Okay, this will be COLLEGE. I have written E, I think it has been auto corrected. So there is an addition of extra E over here for college. So this college E, that is here also it will extra E. So this college E, that is extra E, this will be treated as error, and since this contains of 8 letters, so 8 by 2 equal to 4 full errors mistakes will be counted. Okay, so you can't do any mistake, any spelling error mistake you can't do. Instead of college you have written COLLEGE, so that will be a mistake and for that you will penalized. And since college consists of 8 letters, so 8 by 2 4 full error mistakes will be counted. Okay, now let's proceed further. Now lastly, coming to the main aspect of this topic, that is, I have told you that I will teach you how to do error percentage calculation. So the formula goes in this way. You have to first tally it, that is total, full plus half mistake, and this total will be divided by total key depressions, that is by 1750. Generally it's given, sometimes it may 1 or 2 3 key depression extra, but mainly it is 1750 only, and its total thing will be multiplied by 100, and that will give you the desired result, that is percentage error. Suppose if you did 40 full error mistakes and 50 half error mistakes, then just to show you how to calculate it. So 40 plus 29 is 65, and whole thing will be divided by 1750, and total thing will multiply 100, so it's getting you a result, that is 3.17%. so approximately you will get around 3.17 percentage. So I think you have learned how to do error percentage calculation in this video clearly. Even after watching this video, if you have got any doubt in your mind, don't hesitate, please do write it in the comment section. I have promised you already that within 24 hours I will black with the resolution if it is available to me. For the timing further ado, if you are a new viewer watching my videos, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel first, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Next, what you can do, you can give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and share this with your friends, colleagues, everyone who are preparing for SSC CHS exam. Okay, so let's meet in the next lesson. Till the time, stay tuned. God bless you all.